Yo, what's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Levine, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I make these designs for the old school Rams. As you guys can see, I was going for a vintage type feel, with the old school Rams logo with the Cleveland on here. If you don't know, Cleveland was the first place where the Rams was located before they went to Los Angeles. Yeah, so I thought that'd be pretty cool. Plus, I'm from St. Louis myself, well, the east side, If you know, you know. I ain't gonna get into that. You just gotta play around with the design sometimes, like see where you wanna put different stuff. Make this white, like certain stuff pop out, cause this a gold shirt. Maybe blue and white. I think I should add some dates to it. Kenny Washington, that's what I'm gonna do on the other shirt to the left. I know that's when they stopped. 1945. Let me see. A little cheat sheet, I'll be cheap. Nah, but for real, you need something to look on to for a little inspiration. So I'm gonna just do the 1940 through 1945. Yep, change that to dark blue. But I'm gonna actually print this right shirt out, and then this left shirt, I'm gonna do it on the Cricut machine. But I'm just making both of the designs on here so I can have it all on one. So yeah, let me start on this one. Look, I got the 1944, 1945, got that. Let me change this Cleveland to more like a retro vintage style. That look kinda cool though, don't it, right there? I'm gonna start with this shirt. I want the blue. I want one number to be blue, one number to be white. But let's see how they turn out. I'm gonna make the Washington white and the Kenny blue. So it'd be like a two-tone, but I'm gonna do some, put him on the back. I'm gonna put Kenny on the back, because I would put him on the sleeve. I'm gonna put Kenny on the back, like on the tail or something. Triple that. St. Louis joint. I'm gonna just make this like a basic St. Louis Rams shirt. It's basic right here, but it got a vintage feel to it, Unless I put a date or something on it, but that's cool right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna resize it down. Probably put it on the shoulder or something. So yeah, just look about it. Yeah, let me get a little closer. Got the Cleveland, got the LA. I'm gonna change that up though. And then you got my city, St. Louis. So yeah. So I actually decided to change up the design a little bit. You remember when I told y'all I wanted to do a two-tone? So I decided to make it two-tone. So this is the actual product I'm gonna do. Kenny Washington on the back, put the rounds on the sleeve, and then I'm gonna put a blue 3, white 1, Kenny Washington. Let's see how this go in the next video. Yeah, so in the next video, I will be showing you guys how I actually make this shirt on the Cricut Air Explorer 2. So tune in. I'm gonna let J Joker take y'all out with this instrumental. You dig?